Question 1, select the correct answer from the drop-down menu. Consider the following expression. What expression is equivalent to the given expression? So we can obviously look at the answer choices and see the numbers they have here, but really, it's really hard to know how they're wanting us to simplify this without just simplifying this expression like we normally would without even looking at the answer choices. So in this problem, we are multiplying these two binomials first. We're multiplying x plus 9 times x minus 2. To multiply two binomials together, I like to draw a little Punnett square. This just helps keep my terms organized. So we're going to multiply first x plus 9 times x minus 2. So right now I'm going to erase this. Right now all we're doing is this part of the expression, that multiplication. So x times x is x squared. Positive 9 times x is positive 9x. X times negative 2 is negative 2x, and positive 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. The reason I like this method is almost always your like terms are going to be diagonal from one another. So we can combine those. So we've got an x squared. 9x minus 2x is positive 7x minus 18. And then from there, tack on the minus 9x minus 6 on the end. And then our like terms are positive 7x and negative 9x. And then also negative 18 and negative 6. We're going to combine those like terms to get our final answer. So we've got x squared. All of this is equal to x squared. X squared did not have a like term. 7x minus 9x was negative 2x. Negative 18 minus 16 is negative 24. So I'm going to rewrite this up at the top. We've got x squared minus 2x minus 24, so that's a trinomial. So we can see they want us to rewrite this as two factors. So now we need to factor this problem. So we're going to do the opposite of multiplication. So we've got to think, okay, to get this x squared, we have to think, okay, what multiplies by itself to give you x squared? Well, that's only x and x. So again, we're doing kind of reverse multiplication here. What goes in these last two spots, here and here, the numbers that go there, those numbers have to multiply together to give you negative 24 and add together to give you negative 2. And the trick for this is to come up with numbers that multiply together to give us 24. Well, numbers that are multiplied together to give us 24 are 1 and 24. Let's forget about the negative for a second. 2 and 12. 3 and 8. And 4 and 6. So of those numbers, which two numbers can multiply together to give us negative 24 and add together to give us negative 2? Should see pretty clearly 6 and 4. Do we want 6 minus 4 or 4 minus 6? Well, we want 4 minus 6 because 4 minus 6 gives us negative 2. So this should be x plus 4 and this should be x minus 6.